Hi, how's it going, everybody? Know what I really hate about super keys or meta keys, whatever you call them, is as a Linux user, I really hate that they always contain a bloody Windows logo. So I decided to do something about that since my keyboard's a mechanical one and uses Cherry MX switches. I decided to order some custom keycaps. As you can see, they contain Tux, the Linux mascot. So I got these from maxkeyboard.com. So this is not a sponsored video. I paid for these myself. They cost $8 each, plus you have to pay for shipping. So yeah, it is pricey just to replace two keys on your keyboard, but it bugs me enough that I wanted to pay for it. All right, let's try to get this into focus. Okay, there we go. That looks good. So as you can see, it looks quite nice. Of course, you can put anything you want on these keys. You just have to provide a vector graphics file. So you can put your distributions logo on if you want. Okay, I've tried to set my focus just right so we can have a look at what it looks like when it's plugged in. So remove that key. Now let's put in this. It's a little hard to put in, but it does fit in and it stays in. So we can turn that off. You can still see it. Turn the light back on. Full brightness. We can add some color there. Does look nicer in person. But if you look really closely, you can notice that it wasn't the key that came with the keyboard. This key does come up slightly higher than the other keys. And I'm sure I used their chart and got the correct key size. But if yeah, it's just slightly higher than the Alt and the Control. Does feel good. Feels good quality. There we go. Now that's awesome. No more pesky Windows logos on my keyboard. Anyways, I thought I'd show you those custom keycaps. One of the advantages of having a mechanical keyboard that uses some sort of standard like Cherry MX is you can easily replace the keys. There are several websites that make custom keycaps, and Max Keyboard is one of them. Shipping was a little slow. They use a standard mail bag, so untracked. Once it reaches the destination country, it's untracked. Anyways, that's all for today. See you later.